Yes, viewers, you can see these visuals also of the fact that we are showing you these exclusive visuals. You can see the kitchen area also of the fact that this area looks completely shattered. This we even exclusively spoke to the sister also, and very importantly, a major blast had taken place yesterday that jolted this entire area. We were speaking exclusively to the family also, and this is the very Tral area where security forces demolished, this very house of Asif Sheikh, alias Asif Fuji, who is a wanted Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorist as well. I'll request my camera person to show the visuals itself and focus on the visuals of the remainings of this very visuals, and very importantly he is also said to be one of the key conspirators behind the Pahalgam terror attack. The demolition took place yesterday in Tral, South Kashmir, as part of a broader crackdown on terror operatives and the infrastructure, and he's among the three militants also in the attack and remains on the run. The family says that they were locked and they were put outside, and this is a very situation. And this blast happened here with severely this damage this building, which occurred amidst a cordon and search operations by security forces. Even according to sources also, the forces even had noticed suspicious objects inside the premises and immediately withdrew as a safety methods, and moments later a powerful explosion rocked the structure. Now, this preliminary findings also suggested that explosive materials were stored within the house, likely linked to militant activity. No casualties have been reported, and investigation is also going on. We are showing you these exclusive visuals. This is this two-story building. You can see ahead is the kitchen. This entire house is in remains. The entire house is in shattered. You can see the water leakage that has been that have happened. You can see bricks being completely fallen here. On the other side of the house, you see there's skin and everything that is all shattered, all in bits and pieces. And this massive, operation that happened here